Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is April 5th when I'm recording this. And remember, if you guys like the way that I look at the market and how I teach things, you can pick up the Moxie Indicator for yourself, and or you can come join the Mastery, which is the Moxie Indicator trading room. And we have a 30-day trial for $7. All right, and then on top of that, one thing I was looking at here is this has kind of been going around since the first quarter is now done. They have some statistics out there. And I got to say, this is a very interesting one. When after the S&P returns a 7% gain, greater than 7% gain in the first quarter, 100% of the time the market has been higher, and mostly significantly higher, over a year later. You can see here this was about 2%, but everything else was in double digits. So these are really pretty impressive, what's going on here. Now, does that mean it's going to be easy and the wind is at our backs? Not necessarily. Price can go anywhere over the course of the next year, and so we just have to keep that in mind. You know, it's cool to know that, okay, maybe the destination is higher, but we know based on what we've been seeing in the market, it doesn't necessarily have to follow an easy path. So kind of talking about that, there are names that have been moving, and there have been names that are coming from almost out of nowhere that have been moving up. And what I want to show you guys is what are some of the commonalities that they have working out. And what we can see of something for ON, I like to show that price got over the monthly 10, and then it got over the weekly 50, then pulled back into the weekly 50, and then shot up. Now, this move was because of earnings, so I've yet to actually take a trade in it. I like to wait till either before or after earnings. I don't like to trade during earnings. And we can see that that is what worked out for that. The other one, NRDY, I think. Yep, there's another one. This is another name that's kind of been moving up, NRDY and then NRDS. You can see here, price is over the weekly 50, the Moxie indicator is above 0, and again, engaging and getting over the monthly 10. And then NRDS, yep, there's another one. And you can see here, price is over the monthly 10. You can see first move over the weekly 50, then pull back. This one went a little bit deeper, but it did pull back. The Moxie indicator fired, and we had a nice big move to the upside. And basically, you can see these things were basing for quite some time. And then we have another one, AI. Now, I know AI got hit recently because of the hit piece, but that's a different part of the story. What I want to show you is what led to this thing moving up in the first place. Well, again, got over the monthly 10. We can see that put a level here. We had the 8 cross over the 21, and price was able to get past the weekly 50. Now, maybe this got a little bit too high for the time. You can see here there were three very high areas, and that hit piece came out. So we'll have to see how the market can digest this. But if price kind of comes down here and it does ultimately stay above the weekly 50, I could see this thing moving up sometime in the future. But we're just going to have to wait for all that news to settle out. So clearly that's a lot going on right there for that stock, and we'll have to see if they can actually get through there and what the rest of the investors want to do with it. All right, everyone, thanks again, and we'll see you at the next one.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.